Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Artsy Trio. We are here again working in my small journal that I use for therapy. I am a sufferer of anxiety and depression, among other things, and I use this book to do art for therapy in. So we're going to do that again. This month's mood board was created by Marie Linder, one of my co-teachers in the Artsy Trio. This is mood board number 32. This is it here. I'm going to glue it to this side, and then we're going to get going. Now, if you want to see what the other teachers are doing, or get a copy of the mood board, or anything like that, check out the video description for the relevant links. The group is over on Facebook, so there is a Facebook group link, along with the link for the other teachers' videos. Go check them out, show them some love and support. That would be really great. Okay, like last month where we did this, which I really enjoyed doing. It was quick, simple, easy, and really spoke to what I needed it to that day. We are going to do something similar. I have all this washi tape I need to use. I have this one that's like a wide washi. There are some yellows in the mood board. There's some more orange in here than is probably appropriate for the mood board, but there's also some blues and teals and greens. So I'm gonna see if this one comes off cleanly. They don't all. It's really annoying. I have a love-hate relationship with washi tape. Is it just me, or do you guys have the same thing? I'm gonna just do that. The background image was stamped on here using some of my designs from Art Foamies. I do have designs over at Art Foamies and Rubber Moon, and I have a Patreon. All three are a great way to support the free content here on YouTube. So if you would like to join Patreon, please do so. If you're not into doing that, you can support the free content by buying some stamps over at Art Foamies or Rubber Moon. And not just mine. Go show those two companies some love and support. They have lots of really great designers over there. Okay, I have this image that's just like sitting right there. It's like a doorway. I kind of like that. It's too big for the page, but I could cut the top off. I don't know why I like that, but I like that. Ooh, I could do that. Yep, okay. We're not going to think about it too much. When I do these pages, it's not about thinking too much and over-analyzing what I'm doing. It's about just going with the flow and doing what feels right. And sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. It almost always, though, expresses what I need it to. For me, that's what my art and creativity is all about, whether I'm art journaling, painting, sewing, doing needlework, all of it. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Now, like last month, I used a skeleton leaf in the background. I have a bunch of those still, but I also have some other stuff. I have some things from nature I've preserved and then laminated. Would be really cool right there. But I think I want to put a quote underneath it. I said last month I like to drink tea, especially yogi tea, because they have like little positive affirmation quotes on the back of the tea tag. And of course, this being me, I have to save them all. Ooh. Master the unknown by knowing your deep self. Don't know why. That one speaks to me. Again, we're not really thinking about it. We're just going with the flow. I like the idea of stapling that in the back. I've got to find the stapler. Hold on. Okay, found it. Okay, and then we could put that there. And then the question is, do we want to put any, oh, you can't even see it, there we go. Do we want to put any paint on there? Sorry, reflection from the plastic. Do we? I don't even know. Okay, first thing I think I want to do is masking tape, because, you know, not enough tape on the planner, right? So tape. Yep. Let's see, I do have this color blue, green blue light. I've said before, I'll say it again, I like to use matte finish acrylics or acrylic wash in my art journals because they do dry matte. They're not sticky at all. Sometimes when you use the gloss paints, it dries sticky, which means that you have to finish your page with wax or something. And I tend to be kind of lazy, so. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Let's staple on our flower carefully. Probably should have done that before I put any paint on the page. But you know, hindsight's always 20/20, right? I really like this one. I really love it. There's a close-up. Simple, easy, expressive, inspired, at least the colors, by the mood board. I looked at it, this is what I felt, which is just makes me very happy. Anyway, I hope that you do art that makes you happy, and I hope that our adventures with mood boards over at Artsy Trio can give you some inspiration. All right, if you like this page as much as I do, check out Artsy Trio for other inspiration. We have a lot of it over there. If you do create something inspired by this month's mood board or one of the other past mood boards, please do tag me in the post so I can see it. And above all, make art, be happy, and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. And I'll see you later. Bye, guys.